Pinterest partners, who they are, what they do, and what they can do to help boost your marketing campaign. Pinterest partners offer sophisticated technology solutions to help you scale on Pinterest. They span 6 focus areas from content optimization to targeting and shopping tools. Pinterest has vetted every partner for both Pinterest knowledge and technical expertise. Depending on your goals, you might want to work with multiple partners at once. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Kiwi. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as impeccable as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I want to talk to you about Pinterest partners and the fact that you can use those partners and their technical expertise and their Pinterest expertise to scale your success on Pinterest. Pinterest is a fast growing platform, and they are adding new users, millions of users on a daily basis, and it is important to be there. And there are 6 partner specialties that I want to talk to you about, and I'm going to show you how they can help boost your marketing campaign on Pinterest, but also on other platforms, including Shopify. Let's first talk about advertising. Advertising is one of the top specialty on Pinterest when it comes to Pinterest partners. Advertising partners are experts in campaign management, media buying, and media strategy. Those 3 elements are the cornerstone of a great Pinterest ad: campaign management, media buying, and media strategy. Those partners, the advertising partners, can help you manage, scale, and optimize your Pinterest marketing. You can also choose from managed service or self-serve tools. The great thing here is that when it comes to the optimization of your campaign on Pinterest, everything counts. I'm talking from SEO, search engine optimization, to making sure that your content is presented to the right audience. So advertising, the Pinterest partners who specialize in advertising can also help you in terms of campaign management. A campaign management, especially if you are targeting a global audience. If you are based in the US but you want to target a global audience, those partners can bring their international network and knowledge base to kind of help you do that. Remember though that on Pinterest, when it comes to Pinterest campaigns, when it comes to marketing on Pinterest campaign, everything is linked. From campaign management to media buying and media strategy, everything is linked. So you want to get in touch with those partners to find out more. The second category of partners, Pinterest partners, are in the shopping category. So shopping partners make it easier for people to shop your products on Pinterest. If you are on Pinterest, you could be there. If you're there as a small business, you can actually monetize every click on the platform and making sure that every click goes to either your Shopify store or your WooCommerce store, your BigCommerce store, or other platform that you use for your online store. But you got to set things the right way, from product description to your page, from your product description to your page description. Everything has to be linked. You want to make sure that you have a high level of conversion, a high rate of conversion. So Pinterest partners who specialize in shopping, they offer tools like e-commerce merchant platforms, feed management providers, tag management systems, and creative shoppable experiences. Creative shoppable experiences are very important, folks. We live in an industry, we live in an era where people's attention span is very limited. And if you want people to convert, if you want visitors to become customers, you got to have a creative shoppable experience. Everything from the brand, the look and feel, the interaction, the pictures or the videos, how the tags you use, how you present your products, your craft, how you are actually interacting with the audience makes a huge difference, especially when it comes to mobile interaction. The whole thing about creative shoppable experience, what experts call CSC, is that you want to have it across all devices. And most important, you want to have it on mobile. So if you have Pinterest shopping partners, they can help you create a seamless, highly interactive shopping experience on mobile, on tablets, on phablets, and on desktop computers. And by doing that, and if you are able to have the right partner helping you with advertising, another partner helping with shopping, or this could be the same person anyway. I mean, there are many partners who provide, I would say, services across the board. So by having by tying the right advertising partner to the right shopping partner, you're increasing the likelihood that your brand will become viral on the platform. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Kiwi. We're also talking today about Pinterest partners, and I've already told you that I'm just walking you through the 6 top focus areas that where you can hire someone, you can work with a brand, with an agency to help you succeed on Pinterest and beyond. And I've already told you about 2 specialties: advertising and shopping. Let's talk about number 3, content marketing. But before I get into the nitty gritty on that one, if you love the content so far and love the clarity and quality of the content, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell so we can inform you in real time whenever we release a new show. And we release this kind of shows every single day, rain or shine. So content marketing, that's the 3rd area of specialization when it comes to Pinterest partners. So content marketing partners can help you build a stronger presence on Pinterest. When I'm talking about stronger presence, I'm talking about a presence across the board, from branding all the way to engagement, all the way to making sure that you're having the right tags, you're having the right hashtags rather, and they can also help you interact more with your audience and increase the audience. The idea here is to increase your follower base, and this is what those content marketing Pinterest partners can help you do. They can also help with both organic content and paid campaigns. So organic content can be user generated content, so UGC, or content that you yourself, your small business or your brand post on the platform. And from an SEO perspective, organic content always trumps, in terms of quality and sustainability, paid campaigns. But you got to do both at the beginning, because if depending upon the kind of industry you're in or the kind of stage your startup is currently in, whether you're a startup or established business, doesn't really matter. But based on where you are on the stage, on the commercial stage continuum, you want to use organic content and also paid campaigns. Now, when it comes to paid campaigns, you can launch ads on Pinterest. You can actually launch ads from other platforms and drive the traffic to Pinterest. So you can have a Google Ads campaign that drives traffic to your Pinterest platform. So content marketing partners span the entire content process, from sourcing content and publishing pins to managing engagement and pinner interactions. You really want to interact with pinners more and make sure that you are posting consistently, you're posting regularly, you have a regular schedule, and all of those things. If you don't have the capabilities for it, you can outsource it to one Pinterest partner. I also want to talk to you about the 4th category, what Pinterest called focus areas. And the 4th focus area is creative. So creative partners help you create more engaging content with more efficient processes. Let's talk about that. What is engaging content? First of all, when it comes to Pinterest, we know that in Pinterest you have pins. Now, pins are usually pictures, but they also can be videos. So the platform is constantly changing the offer. The Pinterest is constantly changing the offer that they have and the array of services and products they offer their users, the pinners. So if you have a creative agency that is partner with Pinterest, they can help you create more engaging photos, more engaging videos, professionally designed videos, highly interactive. Highly interactive. If you want to say you want to brand and promote your app, they can help you that, so you can actually drive traffic from an external platform onto Pinterest, or the other way around. So they can help you also brand your app, and while doing that, they can actually you can decide to outsource the production or do it in-house, but they can also help you with more efficient processes. So the idea here is not just the production of content, the final result, but also the means to achieve that end result. So the processes. So the creative partners on Pinterest are fully trained on Pinterest creative best practices, and it can help you scale content quickly. Content scaling is important, especially if your business is in a growth phase. The beauty of Pinterest is that you can actually, if you have one pin go viral, that's it. You only need to have one pin go viral, and you can amass as many pinners as possible and see your brand grow and see your exposure, see your reputation improve overnight. So it's all about trying. It's all about engaging in trials and errors and having the right team surround you. And this is what I've been talking about. The right team comprises what Pinterest called Pinterest partners. And this is what we're talking about here. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Kiwi. I hope you are still here with us. And I just love this content. I love talking about Pinterest, one of my favorite social media. And I've been talking to you about the 6 focus areas where you can hire people, you can hire agencies, and work with brands to increase your own brand's appeal and reputation. Let's talk about audiences. So audience partners help you onboard first-party data to Pinterest so you can use advanced targeting features like customer retargeting and act-alike audiences. Audience partners play a pivotal role in the Pinterest partners ecosystem, because at the end of the day, if your goal is to expand your pinner base, you want to expand your follower base, you need to constantly add new audiences, especially when it comes to initiating new campaigns or retargeting current campaigns, ad campaigns to new audiences. So this is where audience partners are able to help you. They're able to help you onboard those first party data. And again, the first party data has to be quality data. I'm talking about prospects. I'm talking about email list. I'm talking about other data that you acquired through other means, other campaigns. It is either through your website, for instance, people have signed up themselves. This is really important. Now, audiences partners can help you segregate, dissect your audiences into relevant clusters, into relevant segments. This is the whole idea. You can have a lot of data. You can have, let's say, let me just break it down. Let's say you have 10,000 names, 10,000 names in an email, in a database. How do you use this 10,000 names? How do you target them? How do you slice them up? How do you figure out which ones you have to reach out to, when and where? This is where audience partners come in. They bring their advanced targeting features, and they can help you do customer retargeting, and they can also focus on act-alike audiences. I'll be right back right after this. No, actually, I'm not right back right after this. I only have one last one here, and that's measurement. So measurement partners, they will help you dig deeper into campaign performance and value. Think about measurement partners as your analytics team. Those are your they constitute your analytics team. They give you the analytical expertise you need to understand really what's going on. You understand campaign performance and value. The measurement partners can measure metrics like online conversions, brand lifts, in-store sales, and mobile app installs. Let me repeat the four. Those are key Metrics: online conversions, brand lifts, in-store sales, and mobile app installs. You can see that online conversions relates quickly. It's pretty really, it's related to your SEO tactics. That's what I was talking about earlier. Brand lift has to do with your brand reputation. So we're talking here about increasing the exposure of your brand in the not only on the Pinterest platform but also beyond. In-store sales have to do with your revenue, so you see your revenue growing. And mobile app installs relate to your promotion success, but also to your brand being lifted. The bottom line here is that by having the right strategy, by having the right team in place, you're able to increase your presence. You're able to expand your presence on Pinterest, and this is what the Pinterest partners do. Let me quickly recap today's conversation, folks. It's been a pleasure talking to you. I really appreciate you listening to me here. So today I was just talking to you about Pinterest partners, and there are six specialties, what Pinterest calls focused areas. So you have advertising, shopping, content marketing, creative, audiences, measurements. If you need more info, go to www.business.pinterest.com/Pinterest partners. And there you have all the info. And if you need to hire someone, you need to hire an agency in your particular niche, those partners can help you. The platform will filter and give you the right person, the right agency to help you succeed on Pinterest. Until next time, I look forward to talking to you, and I wish you a wonderful, not a Merry Christmas. We're still we're far away from Christmas. Now I wish you a wonderful day, and stay marvelous.